Hello friends, welcome to your new recipe in Kalushuna channel. Today I bring you ivy gourd fry. It is called Kundri in Bengali and is used or prepared during the summer months. It is available in plenty and is very healthy for your body. We fry it in mustard oil. You heat a wok or a saucepan or a frying pan and put some mustard oil in it, and then two medium-sized onions go into it. I have sliced the onions roughly. You can chop it or slice it roughly like me, whatever you choose. And then please fry it in mustard oil till the color changes. You do not need to fry it till it becomes brown or red. Add the ivy gourd pieces cut longitudinally in halves along with salt and turmeric to the fried onions and cover and fry in low heat. If you like my simple recipes which are made with very little oil and spices, please do subscribe to my channel Kalushona. It is a new channel, so help me by subscribing and like, share and comment for everyone. Now we cover and fry in low heat till the color of the vegetables changes or the vegetables become soft. You can see how I am giving it a shake after lifting the lid so that the vegetables become softer. Very soon your frying will be over because the moisture in the kundri or the ivy gourd helps it to become soft very easily. Twice I have covered and lifted the cover to see how they're doing. Here my frying is done and now I am going to take it out. And this ivy gourd fry is usually eaten as an accompaniment to plain white steamed rice and dal. Dal or lentils are always accompanied by some fry, and here vegetarian dishes they use this kundri or the ivy gourd fry. You can see how beautifully the thing has turned out. Thank you for watching my video to the last, and for new friends, please do subscribe and encourage me to bring out more such recipes. Thank you all for observing the video till the end. Enjoy.